Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters alphabets A to Z. So kids, let's learn the names of the colors. Red color, yellow ochre color, gray color, blue color, orange color, green color, light green color, yellow color, black color, and last one is purple color. Kids, now you draw A and use purple color. A for apple. Kids, now you draw B and use red color. B for ball. Kids, now you draw C and use yellow ochre color. C for cat. Kids, now you draw D and use blue color. D for dog. Kids, now you draw E and use orange color. E for elephant. Kids, now you draw F and use green color. F for fish. Kids, now you draw G and use yellow color. G for guard. Kids, now you draw H and use black color. H for helicopter. Kids, now you draw I and use pink color. I for ice cream. Kids, now you draw J and use red color. J for joker. K for king. Kids, now you draw L and use purple color. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose. Kids, now you draw O and use blue color. O for orange. P for parrot. Kids, now you draw Q and use green color. Q for queen. R for rose. Kids, now you draw S and use yellow color. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. Kids, now you draw V and use orange color. V for van. W for whale. Kids, now you draw X and use black color. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. And Z for zebra. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.